Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BCEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But once again, some updates definitely need to be made. Very nice day here on the bulls part. So we'll get, like I said, more updates put in place. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just get rid of that line down there. Yes, it still pertains, but it's not relevant at this point in time. So from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update comes, though, based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that hopefully remember yesterday's video talking about $1.63 right around that region, that level is finally broken today, and now this is, would be the level you'd want to see act as support if the price does back test it. And this was a pretty significant break, as I talked about in yesterday's video. There is quite the history of the price just getting continually rejected from it. So very nice sign of strength that the bulls were able to finally push through it and then maintain above it. And like I said, if the price does pull back, that's fine, but ideally you want to see the price kind of do one of these things where it heads back up, because if it can do that, then you'd have that set of lows there, that set of lows. Hopefully you're getting the point here. So that would just imply that the stair steps are continuing in the upwards direction. So $1.63, newest area of support. And then the next one after that, as I talked about in yesterday's video, going to be that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, the prices has closed way up in the $70s. So I'll just leave it at $1.63 and then the 200 period simple moving average. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these next potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to get a little bit more perspective. So next key overall area of resistance, going to call right up there at $1.92. This was a former area of support. And when supports are broken and closed below, basic technical rule, they tend to act as resistance. So the price isn't quite there yet, but $1.92 is the next key battleground for the chart. So no doubt about it, very nice week for the price. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.